Good morning, class 8. The subject I am going to teach you all is General Knowledge, Chapter 9, Women Freedom Fighters of India. This chapter we have done in previous class. Now we are going to do the remaining part. Number 5. She is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. She travelled across various places in India and delivered lectures on social welfare to invoke the women to participate in the freedom struggle. She tried to arouse the feeling of nationalism through the lecture. She served as the first governor of the United Province. She is Sarojini Naidu. Number 6. She was a lady of Irish origin who joined the Indian National Congress and gave it a new direction. She supported Indian self-rule, self-government and started Home Rule League. This organization had many branches in India which motivated people to protest and demonstrate for home rule in India. She is Annie Besant. Number 7. Throughout her life, she struggled for Indian independence. On 22nd August 1907, she unfurled the Indian flag in Stuttgart, Germany, while attending the International Socialist Conference and raised her voice for the human rights and equality in India. She was exiled in till 1935. Madam Bhikaji. Now we have done this 3-point and quiz. We are now going to the quiz part. Number 1. She was the first woman in India to hold the cabinet post. She is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Number 2. She was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress. She is Sarojini Naidu. Number 3. She was actually motivated in the establishment of the Phoenix settlement near Durban. She is Kasturba Gandhi. Number 4. She was the first woman in India to be elected as the Indian Chief Minister of the state. She is Suchita Kriplani. So, student, please learn this very well and write the answers clearly. Thank you, student.